Pork cut into cubes. It is optional. Also shrimp cut into cubes. And I have dry scallops, corn, carrots, chayote, and this is Chinese yam. So this is all the ingredients, guys, for the Chinese soup. Inuna ko pala yung mga matatagal malata tulad ng dry scallop, corn, at saka yung meat kasi matagal malata din. Isusunod ko po dyan yung carrots at saka yung shrimp. And lastly, pinagsabay ko naman yung chayote and then Chinese yam. Then pakulan mo lang din. Okay na yan. Pagluto na. Aray. Yeah. Just add 1 teaspoon of salt. It's up to you if you want to add more. And this is it. It is already okay.